Hello friends, I am Pavan Gupta and I am back again with another video. And in this video, I am going to talk about Internet of Things. So, what is Internet of Things? How does it work? We are going to see an example. So, Internet of Things can be simply defined as interconnectivity of different devices over the internet, and these physical devices, share information and data over the internet to each other. Okay, now this connected devices are physical devices. Okay, now suppose, let us take an example. Suppose you are in your home and you want to know how the weather is outside, and you have your car parked in just front of your house. Now suppose suddenly the weather gets rainy outside. Okay, the weather gets bad. Now your car has a sensor, has multiple sensors which sense the weather, creates the information, send it to connected device over the internet. So we can say that this car is a physical object. This has a sensor which senses the weather outside, and this car, or we can say this sensor, is connected to the internet. Now this sensor has created an information which is then sent to another device, we can say your mobile phone, which is again connected to the internet. Now these two devices are physical devices. These both are connected over the internet, and these both share data over the internet. So we can say here is a small example of Internet of Things. Now let us take another example. Suppose in your house, in a particular room, there is a CCTV camera, and in this CCTV camera has a program which is connected to a database in which the information has been stored, that who all came to your house, their faces, how they look, and what's their address, and all that informations that camera's database has. Now suppose a thief enters your house. Now this camera recognizes his face, and if his face doesn't match any of the faces given in the database, then the program embedded in the camera sends the data to another connected devices, again your mobile phone, over the internet. So we can say this camera is connected to the internet. Now our mobile phone is connected to the internet, and this camera shares the information and share it to the mobile phone. Now we can say that these two devices are physical devices. These both are connected to each other over internet. So we can say that these two were an example of IoT. Okay, so let us see some applications of Internet of Things, IoT. Now, these are some applications of IoT, Internet of Things. So the first one is smart home devices. Now imagine a home where each and every appliance is connected to the internet, and you can manage or control it using your mobile phone. Like you have to leave for your office in 15 minutes, so you can tell your car using your phone to switch on the AC, so that after 15 minutes when you get to your car, it will be cooled, it will not be hot. Now suppose if your favorite TV serial comes on the time when you are in the office and you can't watch it in the office, now you can say your TV, you can tell your TV, you can send information to your TV that record that show. Okay, so that when you come to your home back again, you can watch that video or show. It can also be used in medical and healthcare services, managing notification system in medical and healthcare services. It can count the blood pressure, heartbeats, etc. of a person, and can send information to a device connected to the internet. And there are many other, like energy management and environment monitoring at other examples and implementation, or we can say applications of IoT. So I think this is it for this video, and meet you in the next video.